What's going on, guys? We're going to be working on this excess today. Customer does not want the back done, so we're going to leave the back alone and just change the front screen. Let's go ahead by powering it off. Get your Pentelobe screwdriver, take the bottom Pentelobe screws off. Once those are off, I'm going to go ahead and grab our jimmy. Go in through the edge. Don't go in too deep, and just gently pry up. Frame is separating from the screen on this one. It opens that way. The screen's been changed with an aftermarket. Now they want an original refurbished, so we're going to throw on an original refurbished on it. I'm going to grab our tri-point screw, put these screws in order. They need to go back to where they came out of. I'm going to skip the middle one for right now because Apple decided that they wanted to put a Phillips screw there. For what reason, I do not know. Now let's grab the Phillips. That goes in the middle. Remove the plate. Disconnect the battery. Pop the screen connectors off. Earpiece speaker. Now there is adhesive here, so pry up very, very carefully. You don't want to mess that up. You will lose Face ID. And that's that. We're going to get our tri-point again. Remove these screws again, put them in order. There are different sizes. They need to go back in where they came out of. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Okay, we're grabbing our new screen. Go ahead and peel the protective film off of it. And go ahead and put our earpiece back on where it goes. Line it up. Grab our tri-point. Alright, the screen has been changed before, so I do not know if the previous repair shop transferred the screen info for True Tone, so let's find out. Nope, it's empty. Customer's going to trade it in, so they're not too worried about it. They're going to come back next week and fix the back glass. So we're going to go ahead and connect your earpiece speaker, LCD, that's for the touch. Connect your battery, grab your plate, put your middle Phillips in, and then we're going to get our tri-points and put the rest in.
Partial shipping, he said. He didn't get the whole thing, so he's going to let me know how many we're going to get. Go from there.
I'm going to put our last one in. we're gonna go ahead and line up the top. Once top is lined up, push in from the sides. We're in place. Grab our bottom Pentelobes. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and hit the power button, test out the screen before we hand it to the customer. I usually test them out before I install them, but never have issues with the original refurbished screens. So if you guys want to get original refurbished screens, go to igems.com. That's ijems.com. They refurbish all screens here in the US. Lifetime warranty on them and everything. Touch is good. Please like and subscribe. If there is any other videos you would like us to do, please let us know in the comments. Have a great day.